Researchers found a new saliva in the human mouth. Popular posts from this blog. YouTube has launched a new service in India called Short to replace TikTok. Ahmedabad. The 28th of September 2020, Monday. A number of companies and apps are trying their best to replace TikTok after its departure from India. Now in this contest, YouTube, which has been most affected by TikTok, has also jumped on the bandwagon. YouTube has launched a beta version of a new service within India called Short in India. This feature allows the user to upload vertical videos of 15 seconds or less in length. In this feature, video creator will get features like multi-segment camera, speed control, timer and countdown. It will also have the facility to add music videos from YouTube's song library. This feature is like a sitting copy of TikTok, like Instagram Reels. Based on India's experience, this feature will be launched in other countries as well. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3bj53. This new feature is coming in the web version of WhatsApp. Ahmedabad. Monday, the 28th of September 2020. On the one hand, new features are constantly being added to WhatsApp's mobile app, while on the other hand, its web version is also undergoing changes. You may know that a QR code is found in the browser on the PC by going to the web WhatsApp.com page. WhatsApp can be used in PC by scanning the QR code from PC to PC by clicking on WhatsApp web in WhatsApp settings in our phone. This web version had relatively limited features so far. But now voice and video call buttons are also being added. Messenger room, camera and gallery icons will also be added to the web version of WhatsApp. It is also possible that WhatsApp will soon be able to be used in different devices as well. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3bj53. Google extends free premium video calling feature. The spread of the coronavirus has led to a flurry of video calling apps around the world, with fierce competition between Zoom, Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. Google has integrated its Meet app into Gmail and made its premium features available to everyone for free until September 30, 2020. The premium feature features video calling without a 1-hour limit, but Google announced that Google Meet can be used without this limit until September 30. Google has announced that its premium features will be free until March 31, 2021, as Corona status has not changed and work from home is. This means that video calling will be allowed in Google Meet without any limit till this date. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3bj53. A new type of degree in a short-term loan based on the app Ahmedabad. Monday, the 28th of September 2020. A number of fintech startups have started in India in the last few years. This type of startup is known as fintech as it combines finance and technology. Fintech startups have many types of business, one of which is to offer short-term loans based on the app. Loans can be obtained from a bank or other financial institution in India, but usually require a variety of documents. Lending apps are becoming more and more popular as there is no such clutter. But now it is coming out that a new kind of title is emerging for those who take advantage of such apps. The government had declared a moratorium during the lockdown, but after its completion, the lending app has started collecting dues and technology is helping them when installing such a lending. But because of such permissions, the lending app is also getting the numbers of our close. Himalayan snow melts due to dust from Asia and Africa, scientists worried. Delhi, Ta. The 9th of October 2020, Friday. Himalayan ice is rapidly melting due to pollution and dust in Asia and African countries. This has been claimed in a new research. Research has shown that dust flying over the high mountains of the western Himalayas is one of the main reasons for melting ice. According to research published in the journal Nature Climate Change, the melting of ice is accelerated by dust flying over snow-capped mountains. This is because dust can absorb sunlight, which causes the surrounding area to heat up. Research has shown that in some parts of Africa and Asia, the melting of ice in the Himalayan region is being greatly affected by dust rising hundreds of miles away. Yoon Kian, who made the claim in the discovery, is a scientist at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory of the U.S. Department of Energy. He said the rapidly melting ice is a matter of concern. Regular snow melting is also part of the natural situation. The salt water that flows down from the glacier floor. Dark mode can be used in smartphones. Ahmedabad. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.